Hello. Today we're going to do a presentation about business mathematics. The code course is MAT112. Title of our assignment is Compound Interest and Annuity.
Hello, before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gabriel Ludan as a leader of Group 2. I come from 80110-1B.
Hello, my name is Fitzgerald B. Francis from AT1101B. I'm the first member of this group.
Hello, I'm the second member of this group. My name is Abdullah Fahim bin Kader. I'm from 81101B Group 2.
I am the third member of this group. I am Abdul Kajimal bin Maslim and I am from 81101B.
Chapter 3 Compound Interest. Compound interest is another method of interest calculation. It is calculated based on the original principal plus the interest accumulated from the previous period. It also known as earned interest on interest. Chapter 4 Annuity. This chapter only deals with ordinary annuity certain. Ordinary annuity certain is an annuity where the periodic payments are made at the end of each interval. For example, installment payments, loan repayment, etc.
For question 1, Miss Sazwana kept 9,325 ringgit in a saving account that earned interest of 12% compounded annually. 2 years later, she added 3,000 ringgit to the account. Calculate the total amount in her account 5 years after the deposit. First thing first, list out all the information. P equal to 9,325, T equal to 2 years, K equal to 0.12%, M equal to 1, I equal to 0.12 over 1, N equal to M divided by T are 1 divided 2. I'm using the formula S1 equal to P open bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. S1 equal to 9,325 open bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 1. Then I get 11,697.28. Then plus the answer with the amount that she added to the account. P equal to 14,697.28. For the second question, I'm using the same formula. S2 equal to P open bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. S2 equal to 14,697.28 open bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 1 to the power of N. And the answer is S2 equal to 20,648.62. For question 2, Dr. Kohilavani invested 20,000 ringgit for 10 years. Her investment account offers an interest rate of 6% compounded monthly for the first 6 years, 9 months, and 8% compounded quarterly for the rest of the period. Question A. Calculate the accumulated value of the investment at the end of 10 years. Question B. Calculate the total interest earned. For question 2, list out the information from the question. P1 equal to 2000, T equal to 6 year 9 month, K equal to 0.06%, M equal to 12, I equal to 0.06 over 12, N equal to M divided by T are 12 divided with 6, 9 over 12. I'm using the formula S1 equal to P open bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. S1 equal to 2000 open bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 81. Then I get 29,955.81. For question 2, I'm using the same formula. P2 equal to 29,955.81, T equal to 3.25 year, M equal to 4. N equal to M divided with T. 4, 4 divided with 3.25 to the power of 13. I'm using the formula S2 equal to P open bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. S2 equal to 29,955.81 open bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 4 to the power of 13. Then I get S2 equal to 38,751.03. For question B, I'm using the formula I equal to S minus P. I equal to 38,751.03 minus with 20,000. I equal to 18,751.03.
For question 3 is Mr. Atif invested some amount in Bank X for 7 years at 5.6% compounded monthly. After 24 months, the interest rate increased to 9% compounded monthly. The accumulated amount of his investment at the end of 2 years was 18,300 ringgit. A. Calculate the initial amount of his investment. B. Calculate the accumulated amount in the account at the end of the investment term. C. Find the total interest earned from this investment. First thing first, all you need to do is to list out all of the information from the questions, which is S1 equal to 18,300 ringgit. First T is 2 years. First K is 5.6%, which is 0.056. First M is 12. Second T is 5 years. Second K is 9%, which is 0.09. The second M is 12. For questions A, the formula that I use is S1 equal to P, open bracket 1, plus I, close bracket, to the power of N. Solution is 18,300 ringgit equal to P, open bracket 1 plus 0.056 over 12, close bracket, to the power of 12 times 2. I'm using the shift solve for the question, and I got the final answer is P equal to 16,365 ringgit point 27 cents. For questions B, the formula that I use is S2 equal to P, open bracket 1, plus I, close bracket, to the power of M. And the solution is 18,300 ringgit, open bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 12, close bracket, to the power of 12 times 5. The final answer is 28,651.96 cents. For the last one is C, which is interest. The interest formula is I equal to S minus P. S is 28,651.96 minus 16,365.27, and the final answer is 12,286 point 12,286 ringgit point 69 cents.
Question 4. Zara acquired a condominium priced at 230,000 ringgit, providing a 15% down payment upfront. To cover the remaining costs, she obtains a bank loan with an interest rate of 5.5% compounded monthly. Her loan agreement requires her to make uniform monthly payment for a duration of 25 years. Question A. Find the amount of the loan. Question B. Calculate the monthly payment. C. After making payments for 20 years, Zara decides to settle the remaining balance. Determine the outstanding amount she must repay. Solution for question A. 230,000 times 15% equal to 34,500. And then 230,000 minus 34,500 equal to 195,500. Solution for question B. Using the formula A equal to R, 1 minus times 1 plus I to the power of negative n over I. 100 95,500 equal to R 1 minus times 1 plus 0.055 over 12 to the power of negative 300 over 0.055 over 12. Using the shift solve, R is equal to Rm 1,254 cents. Solution for question C. Using the same formula, A equal to R 1 minus times 1 plus I to the power of negative n over I. 1,245 1 minus times 1 plus 0.055 over 12 to the power of negative 60 over 0.055 over 12, and the answer is A equal to Rm 62,851 and 67 cents.
The last question is question 5. Adrina borrowed RM 100,000 from a bank with a monthly compounding interest rate of 3.75%. The loan term is set for 10 years. 5A. Calculate the amount of the installment that she need to pay every month. 5B. Adrina faced an unforeseen setback when she lost her job 3 months ago. This sudden loss of income placed her in a challenging and uncertain financial situation. Deprived of a stable income, she experienced difficult in fulfilling her financial obligation, including her loan installment payment. Roman 1. Calculate the payment required for her next installment that maintain her payment schedule. Roman 2. Calculate the interest charged for her deferred payment. First, to solve the question of 5A is we need to find out all of the information that given in the question. As you can see here, the value of A is 100,000 ringgit, and the value of K is 3.75, that we should change it into 0.0375. The question also give us the value of T, it is 10, and the value of M, it is 12. We also have solved the value of N, it is 120. After we find out all of the information, we just put in all of the information into the formula of A equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I, the power of negative n over I. By using shift solve, we will get the answer is 1,000 ringgit 61 cent. Okay, let's move to the 5B 1 Roman. The question asks to find the payment required for her next installment to maintain her payment schedule. From the question, we know Adrina has lost her job for 3 months ago. That means she has didn't make payment for installment for 3 months ago. Now, uh, the situation is she should pay her installment on month 4 to maintain her payment schedule. So from the situation, we know the value of n is 4 because she pay her installment on month 4. So the formula to solve this uh, question is we should use the formula of S equal to R times 1 plus I, the power of n minus 1 over I. By using the value of R that we just solved from the question 5a just now, put in all of the value of into the formula, uh, into the formula, and the answer is, and we will get the answer is RM 4,021 ringgit 24 cent. Then let's move to the uh, Roman to question Roman 2, that the formula we can use to find the uh, to solve the to solve this question is I equal to S and minus Rn. After that, we just put in the value of S that we have uh, solved in the B Roman 1 just now, and the value of R that we solved at 5a just now. In the formula that we get, that we will get the answer is RM 18 ringgit at 18 cent. 80 cent. That's all. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you. Sekian pembincangan dari kelompok kami. Mohon maaf jika ada kekurangan. Kerana yang berlebihan itu perasaan saya ke dia. Ayu Ting Ting beli kepiting. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.